Remember hearing that in the south?
Huh?
Remember hearing that in the south? Can you imagine being here at night?
No.
No? Yeah, it's a dry creek. That one? The area right there with the... I knew you were taking one. I'm not wrong about that one. We're like a 10-minute, 20-minute hike to the waterfall. I wonder what's in there.
Huh.
Can I put my hand?
No.
Ahí entra. You saw that? My feet again? My feet almost hit another rock. Ah. Freaking rocks. There we go. I want to see this one on the stormy season.
Yeah.
See that, Trev?
Huh?
You see that?
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
Stinky?
Squashy? Jeez, it's nice. Oh, I hear water now, babe. It's another one. No, it's not big. It's not big. Or deep. It's probably gonna be a small waterfall. Huh.
Since it's been so dry out?
Yeah, I mean, the river's very short and like small. My backpack is doing work on my back now. And hiking. Ugh. Oh, I think that's that one.
Huh?
I think that's the one, right? Oh shoot, there's something like shit. Breath time?
I've been taking a look right here and there and checking out the hill.
It's okay. Probably like 2 days after it rained, huh? It'll be like better.
The park near the river, and you want to just go there to walk around.
Okay.
He just added that's nice, and then after that is the.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Yeah, I think once we get to the hotel, I'm going to be rearranging the badge and looking this through.
Ooh. You're right, it's a lot simpler heading down. Ooh, again. Ah, those bumps.